Snow, the wind, the ice out for us, Natasha?
Well, the first phase is we have to dry out and then cool down, and that starts for us tonight. Right now, though, it's 47 degrees and we have showers. Yeah, this is the warm sector. We get to the cold sector late tonight. Temperatures dropping down into the mid-30s before sunrise. And at this point in time, we should be dry, but because we're still seeing some light rain right now, there are some areas tomorrow morning that might actually run into some spotty areas of ice on the roads. Ridgefield, it is 42 degrees and we still have wet roads right there. That's I-5. Now let's talk about your wind chill forecast. So when we're talking about your forecast temperatures, we're referring to these numbers in blue. When we're talking about what it feels like to your body, if you're standing outside, that's your number in pink. So here we go. Tomorrow midday, 37 degrees for a forecast temperature. Not all that windy yet until we get to tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening's temperature dropping down to freezing. We add some wind to that. It's going to feel like 24. Okay, what happens as we get to tomorrow night, 11 o'clock? A temperature of 25. We add a wind speed of 15 to 25 miles per hour to that. Now we're talking about a feels like temperature down into the teens. And this is for Portland. This is what it looks like as that wind progresses. Wind out of the east dragging in single digit and sub-zero temperatures through the gorge and transporting it right over the north end of the Willamette Valley and spreading it out across not just Portland, but all the way down towards Salem and out towards the coast as well. Wind speeds initially 20 to 25. That's about this time tomorrow. What about Thursday? Thursday, we experience the worst of the conditions before the precipitation even arrives. So wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. This is Thursday morning, plus actual temperatures down into the teens. That'll give you some single digits for your feels like temperature. And the wind doesn't let up until we get to Friday night. This is Friday late in the morning, about 10 o'clock in the morning, still 35 to 40 miles per hour out of the east. Okay, let's time everything out for you. So Thursday morning, this is your dangerous wind chill, where temperatures will feel like anywhere from 0 to about 15 degrees. Thursday afternoon, it's still windy, but now we're introducing the moisture. So initially falling as snow, light accumulations for snow, but unfortunately, this might show up just in time for your evening commute Thursday. What about Friday morning? Friday morning, likely transitioning from snow or sleet over to freezing rain. At this point in time Friday, you can expect some ice accumulating on the roadways. What does this look like in our models? Ice accumulation forecast, we don't see anything until we get to Friday morning. So Friday morning about 6 o'clock in the morning from the south first, transitioning to the north, Salem, all the way up to Portland, out to Hillsborough, and even portions of the Coast Range and the coast could be talking about a 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation. We know a glaze would be a disaster. Anything more than that is really problematic to infrastructure. Watch what happens though. It keeps raining and is still freezing. So Friday night, we're talking about ice accumulations upwards of a 1/2 inch of ice on the roadways. So this is modeled, of course. These numbers could vary a bit, but anything at this point above a 1/10 of an inch is going to be a problem. Okay, let's talk about where the moisture goes. Mostly dry tonight through tomorrow morning. It's going to be cold and windy as we get to Thursday. Thursday afternoon, here shows up the snow. Again, light snow accumulations initially, then we turn it over to freezing rain as soon as we get to Friday morning. You can see at first the coast is going to be included and then it's going to be left out of the freezing rain scenario, all the way from Salem on up into western Washington and out through the gorge, including our mountain areas as we get into early Friday. By the time we hit Friday night, we still have sub-freezing temperatures locked in right over Portland. Everywhere else, yes, we're starting to thaw out, but look at the gorge. The gorge still freezing and below through Saturday morning. That could include Portland. Of course, all of this depends on the timing of the thaw, but it could take some time. So the gorge is going to be pretty much useless as we get through Saturday, even going into Sunday morning. Then we turn it all over to rain as soon as we get to Sunday night. In the meantime, a winter weather advisory in effect for the Cascades. That includes the west side of the gorge, including Corbett, until 4 o'clock in the morning for snow accumulations ranging anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches. Winter precipitation types, oh yes, we talk about it here and there, but freezing rain, that's the kind of precipitation type we don't want to see, and this is the one that we're expecting as we get to Friday. 7-day forecast looks like this. Travel days, the worst of it, Friday going into Saturday morning. We transition to rain, temperatures in the low 50s for you next week, next Monday and Tuesday. Until then, be prepared for those temperatures dropping down in to the teens as we get to Wednesday night going into Thursday morning. KOIN 6 News, we'll be right back.